Hi, I'm Craig Harris, and I want to show you how to create a teacher web page here for Palestine. Notice first of all, it's schools.palestineschools.org/edit. Notice there's no www. This is the correct address to get to our teacher web pages. And so once we click enter, it looks like this. Never mind that. That was something from my computer here. Now this is already auto-populated because I told my computer to save it. I'm logging in as Mrs. Jones, our curriculum director, since this is not a real website. I'm just showing you how to do it. But this is going to be your first initial, last name, and then the password that we sent you. If you try too many times, it will lock you out and I'll have to unlock you. So be careful with that. But that's what could happen. All right, so we're going to log in. But before we do, I'll tell you that you can also bookmark this page here, if you would like to bookmark it, and so you can get to it more quickly. I'm using Google Chrome today just because I know it works well in this browser. So when we click enter, this is what we see. When we click login, is this project manager, and you've only got one page here. That's your page. You should see your name here. We click home. It looks like this. And we've got these layouts, modules, and widgets down here. These are the tools that we use to build our website. Notice it says drop here and drop here. This is where we're going to drop things in order to make our website. So we're going to put a picture here. This would be a good place to put a picture of yourself. And so take this image box and drop it in here. And it looks like that. So we're going to upload an image. We click on it. We're going to browse for it right here. And notice this is my desktop. I've put a picture here so I can go get it. So I just find my picture, click open, and then apply. And when it refreshes, there's a picture of me. That's just the picture I took off of Facebook. And then you can put more information down below if you like. I'm going back to layouts, and I'm going to get this tab strip. This is what we want teachers to put. Drop it here. And we're going to put 5 tabs. The first one is welcome, and we just hit apply. And then we're going to put another one in, and we're going to call it about me. We apply, and then we're going to put another one in, and we're going to call it class schedule. And we're going to say apply. We're going to do a 4th one that we're going to call 6 weeks focus. And this is what we're doing right now in class. And then the last one is called additional resources. And we click apply. You'll notice there's a drop here box beneath each of these. Under welcome, we're going to go back to widgets, text editor. We're going to put a text editor in there, and we're going to say something like welcome to my class. And then of course you would put more information in there if you like. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to make it one of these bigger headings so that it's bigger. Let's try that again. Highlight the whole thing. Heading 4. Now I'm going to save changes, and then it would look something like that. About me, let's drop the text editor back in here, and this is where you put your name and information about you. You can write this in Word and then copy and paste it in here if you like. We're just going to save that. Class schedule, 6 weeks focus. Let's say on the 6 weeks focus, you want to put a homework assignment. And then connect it to an attachment. How would we do that? Well, we highlight it, and then we go to the hyperlink button. That's this button right here. It's the world with a little link in front of it. So when we click on that, it opens this box, and this is your attachment tab. So we're going to attach it to what? Well, let's go to Docs. And I've already put that in there, but well, where did I get it from? Well, I uploaded it. And then it says, where are you going to upload it from? Well, I selected it. I click Select. This is just a PDF file that's on this computer. Open. Green dot means it's good to go. I'm going to overwrite it because it's already there. I'm going to upload it. And now there it is. And I'm going to click Insert. And OK. And there's your homework assignment. And now it's a link once you click Save Changes. Now in additional resources, we're going to go to Text Editor. We're going to drop it in up here. This would be where you'd put the neat websites that parents and students can go to for learning. You guys know the address of those. I'm just going to use Google as a generic on how to do this, a generic site. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to this hyperlink manager. I'm going to put in an address. I'm going to put in www.google. And I'm going to click OK. And now that is a hyperlink to Google. And it goes to Google. Now, let's add another picture just so we can see how to do it. Sometimes you have to click on these to get them to do right. Tell you what, I'm going to go back to welcome here. I'm going to take this box and I want it beneath that one. And so I make sure I'm in this red, that red line shows up. And then when it refreshes, now I have an image box beneath the tabs. So I'm going to upload another image. This is a picture I took this summer while on vacation at the beach. I want to share it with you because it's so pretty. Now notice how big it is, but because it's filling in all of the space of that box. So I'm going to tell this to use the original size and apply. And now it's smaller. Now I can actually edit the picture using this little brush and this box, and I can say I want it to be 90%, or let's just say 80 so we can see a difference. I want it to be 80%. That resizes it. I have to click Save, and then I'm going to override it, and I'm just going to X out, and then it should have made it smaller. Now I'm going to go to Preview. Yeah, it did make it on Preview. All right, there it is. So here's what we've got. We've got a picture here. We've got this tab strip across here. And then I just put a picture there just to show you how to do that. Now, the last thing you must do is go up here to Options and Publish this page. And it will say, do you want to publish this page? I'm not going to, because this is just for teaching purposes. So I'm going to say cancel. But you've got to say OK. You've got to publish it. And once you do, you're good to go. You log out right here, and you've got yourself a website.